In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to iPhone 12 mini. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your DualSense controller regardless of the model or generation and connect it completely wirelessly to your iPhone. You will be able to do this over Bluetooth. So to start, you have to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. After this is done, you can now prepare the controller and set it to pairing mode. To do this, you will press and hold the PlayStation button alongside the share button simultaneously for a few seconds. Once you press and hold those buttons for a few seconds, the controller lights will start flashing. And once they are blinking, this indicates that the controller is now in pairing mode. So to set it up, go over to the Bluetooth devices, and under the list of available devices, you will be able to choose it. As soon as you select it from that list, it is now going to be usable on your iPhone. When you open any game that supports it, you will now be able to control it with the PlayStation 5 controller. So you can use it on stuff like GeForce Now, for example, or any standalone game that you can download from the Play Store or the App Store and the Game Center. If this doesn't work, ensure that Bluetooth is properly enabled and that you set up the DualSense controller into pairing mode. As soon as it is set up into pairing mode, you will be able to get this to work. And you can also do the same process with any other controller model that you have, as long as it has Bluetooth capabilities. So an example would be the DualShock controller from the PlayStation 4. You can even use generic ones. Just choose it from the list of available devices. Once Bluetooth is enabled, set the controller to pairing mode, and you will be good to go. If this does not work, once again, restart your device, make sure that you set it up accordingly, and you can also try charging the PlayStation 5 controller. Ensure that it has sufficient battery. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to iPhone 12 mini. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.